On this World Yoga Day, Amazing Edge Office introduces all new CRM Yoga for Business. All businessmen are requested to follow the instructions very carefully to ensure your revenue, profitability, and customer relationship to remain in shape. Now, be seated quietly in your AC office chair and inhale customer contact details. Manage contact details with tools available with Amazing Edge Office CRM software. Exhale. Privacy-wise contact details, bulk email, bulk SMS envelope, and label printing. Inhale new inquiries. Manage inquiry details using the tools available with Amazing Edge Office Marketing. Exhale, nurturing of every lead with required treatments, lead escalations, auto workflow assignment to ensure high inquiry conversion and sales revenue. Inhale, assign task. Manage task using CRM tools available with Amazing Edge Office. Exhale, task analysis on the basis of assigned precedence weightage with notification using email and SMS. Inhale, all business challenges, productivity loss, poor customer response. Manage it with required Amazing Edge Office automation modules like CRM, marketing, sales, support, and purchase, and inventory with tons of add-on. Exhale, success, profitability, and freedom of good governance to live personal and professional happy life. Now, there are certain cautions to mind while exercising this business yoga. All the above observations are made while using professional CRM solution optimized